Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to decorate wooden Easter eggs to give them a beautiful metallic effect. You'll be able to reuse these every year for your Easter decorations. The materials you'll need are smooth wooden eggs of various sizes, deco foil liquid adhesive, round sponge brushes, copper leaf sheets, and a glue brush. I'll also put links to these materials in the description box as usual. Dab some glue onto your wooden eggs with a sponge brush. Only put glue where you want the foil to go. I'm starting off with just a few areas to see how it looks when I add the foil. We're going to keep some of the wood visible, and you can always add more glue later on if you decide you want more foil on your eggs. Once you've added glue to all of your eggs, put them aside and let them dry for 15 minutes. If you'd like to reuse your sponge brush, rinse it out well. Your glue should be transparent and tacky now. Take a sheet of copper leaf and press it into the glue on your eggs. The copper leaf will stick to it and not to the rest of the egg. Once it's added, brush the excess foil off with your glue brush. This first egg is your test egg to get a feel for it and to have a look at how much foil you'd like. I decided to go for a lot more foil on all of my eggs, so I went back and added a lot more glue. You could already add some foil to all of your eggs and then add more glue, but I decided to do it right away. Again, this needs to dry for 15 minutes. When the glue is transparent and tacky again, add more foil to your egg and brush the excess off with your glue brush. You can roll your egg in the foil to add a lot of foil in one go, as I'm doing here. This is a great option if you want to cover most of your egg in foil, so that's why I'm showing it. It doesn't give you a lot of control over how you want it to look though, and you lose a lot of your foil this way. The way I like to use a foil is to take some pieces, big and small, and add them to my egg in places where I'd like to have foil. Smooth out the foil with your fingers and then make circular motions with your glue brush to remove the excess foil. If you press hard, it will also give a lovely effect on the foil as tiny pieces will be lifted off, exposing some of the wood. This gives a slightly distressed look, which I like. If you're enjoying the tutorial, please click the like button, and if you subscribe to my channel, you'll never have to miss any of my videos in the future. Do the same thing for all of your eggs. You can also use the tiny pieces of foil you brushed off of the other eggs. No need to throw these away. They're actually great to add some interest to the exposed wooden parts without covering too much. It really is that easy. You just make sure you smooth out your foil very well and to brush off anything that can come off. The copper and the wood are such a beautiful combination, both color-wise and in the contrast between the shiny metallic and the organic wood. I love these eggs so much, and the best part is that you can reuse them every Easter. I really hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. If you did, you may also enjoy my other Easter crafts videos. Thank you so much for watching.